Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a welcome message with Dynobot in Roblox. So first you open Roblox, and after you log into your account you select the server that you want, and then you just click here on the name of the server, and here you are going to select app directory. Then you will see this page. You are going to click on the search and type Dyno. After that you click enter. You will see those options. You are going to select the first one, this one. You click here and you just click on add app. After that you will be redirected to this page. Here you just select the server that you want, for example this one. You click on continue. You make sure that all those are enabled. Then you just click on authorize. After that you just wait seconds, and then you will find yourself in this page. You are going to click on modules, and here in the search you are going to type welcome. You will find this one. For me, it is already enabled. You just enable this one, and then you just click on settings. After that, here in the message type you choose message, and here you can choose the channel that you want to this welcome message to be in. And after that you just go a little bit down and you will see the message. Here, as you can see, there is variables you can use, and they will customize the message. For example, for me, I'm using hi user, comma, welcome to our channel. And then after you finish to customize your message, you just click on update, and that's it. Now every time a new member joins that channel or that server, he will receive a welcome message automatically, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.